Hi friends, my name is Kerr and I have some really exciting news to share. Sizzix and the color giant Royal Talons have teamed up to create a new line called Sizzix Studio. Now, this Sizzix Studio line, it incorporates different tools that an artist can use to take their creativity to the next level. I'm so excited to share that myself, along with artist Vic Hollins, have been invited to design some of the sets that go along with this line. Introducing the new Sizzix Studio line that I designed, and I'm super excited to share. Each set includes 3 stencils and 1 complete stamp set. I know, that's a lot. That means that you can do a lot with it. 4 sets in this first release, and I'm just so excited. Can't wait to share it with you. I hope that you guys take a look at Sizzix Studio. There's a lot that it has to offer, and I'm excited.